this, my gloss is dropping. You like my hair? She thinks, just drop it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, you like my hair? She thinks, just drop it. I see it, I like it.
Hi loves, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Minami here again with another bomb tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this bomb look. So if you like my hair, thanks, do well to watch the tutorial. So to start off, I'm going to be sectioning my hair into two parts. They are not equal. I'm taking the line straight from the back of my ears and I'm going to hold it into a bun. Thereafter, I'm going to comb out the back part and start braiding. After parting my hair, I'm going to braid it down like this. I'm sure most of you know how to braid, but if you don't know, do what to comment down below and I'm going to bring my braiding pattern. I'm just going to quickly braid the hair, and please note the size doesn't matter. You can make your braids really small. I don't plan on using this hairstyle for up to a week, so I'm going to make my braids bigger. After braiding my hair, I'm going to link in all of them together to start sewing down. I'm going to use my needle to sew it down such that it doesn't move or loosen before the time I have to undo the hair. I'm going to quickly sew it down, then start attaching my bundles, and you're going to sew it not so tight, but you sew the bundles to your hair from the back part to the end of the braids. So I'm going to continue sewing in the same motion, in the same pattern, just sewing. When I get to the end of this part, I take the hair back to the other side, and I'll just keep sewing like that till I reach the end of the braids. So I'm just going to let you watch. Just keep sewing and sewing and sewing till you reach the end. If you're new to my channel and you're enjoying this video, do also give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and I'll greatly appreciate it. Appreciate you for the support. Thank you in advance. After sewing it right to the end of the braids, I ended up using two bundles of the hair at the back section. After doing the first bundle, I felt like it was still kind of light, so I added the second bundle. Then you saw me undoing the parts I set aside for leave outs. Then later I'm going to use my flat iron just to flatten it so that it blends with the bundle. Then I did my baby hair off camera because it's very optional. You can decide to do your hair without doing baby hair, so I did that off camera. Then I'm going to apply some edge control to the front part of my hair just to make it smooth, and then I'm going to hold it to a bun and braid it down. After braiding, I'm going to take my hair bundle and start sewing it round. Sorry, the video became darker. One of the bobs got bad, so the light reduced. And I'm sure some of you are asking, I would have just wrapped my hair around and then sew. Sewing that way is going to make the ponytail very stiff, but sewing along the braid is going to make it very flexible. Like you can literally take it from side to side with no problem. But if you had to just wrap it around and hold the braid together at the center and just do it there, it's going to be a bit stiff. But do it either ways that works for you. So I'm going to wrap the hair bundle around the braid, along the braid till the top. I keep wrapping and sewing it down, wrapping and sewing it down till the top, as you see me do. And I advise you comb your hair as you sew. You see, I didn't do that, and that's why I had my hair tangled a lot. But I'm going to comb it out at the end. But you can as well comb it while you're sewing, so you have no tangles. So I'm going to keep sewing it down till I reach the end. After sewing it down, I'm going to take out a little part section of the weave, and then I'm going to wrap it round underneath the hair, just to give it a sort of nice blend and to cover whatever, maybe the top section of that separates the bone from the braid, and just to make it look neat. Thanks for watching, guys.